Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Students, today we are going to discuss about ecological pyramids and their classification. As the name suggests, pyramid is such a geometrical shape which is broader at the base and tapering at the end, having a broad base and an apex. It can be defined as a graphic representation of relationships of organisms in food chain. How the different organisms share the food relationship in a food chain can be represented in the form of a graph. That graph we term as ecological pyramid. Always the ecological pyramid, at the base of it is a producer. Usually the food chain starts with the producer and goes to the higher levels or successive traffic levels, that's consumer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, or quaternary consumer. Usually food chain have four or five traffic levels. So its definition is the graphic representation of relationship of organisms in a food chain. We term it as trophic pyramid or ecological pyramid. This concept was given by a British ecologist Charles Alton in 1920. There are three types of ecological pyramids. Number one, pyramid of numbers. Number two, pyramids of biomass. And number third, pyramids of energy. This classification is purely on the basis of the amount of organisms participating in a food chain, or the transfer of energy, the amount of transfer of energy, or the biomass. First of all, the pyramid of numbers. It is constructed on the basis of number of organisms present at each trophic level in a food chain. So here we usually lay the stress on the number of organisms. In pyramids of biomass, it is constituted on the basis of mass, or we can say the living mass, which is also known as biomass, of all living organisms present at different trophic levels. It usually determines the amount of biomass at each trophic level, which obviously varies. And number third is pyramid of energy. It is constituted on the basis of amount of energy present at each trophic level. The energy available is often expressed in terms of biomass. We could say, for example, we could say that it takes 100 kgs of clover to make 10 kilograms of rabbit, and 10 kilograms of rabbit to make 1 kilogram of fox. That's only 10% of energy at each level is represented at next high level. This indicates that ecosystems do not operate at 100% efficiency. Thank you.